Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do another AAC Craftivity video, and today we're going to make some rice bottles that are going to be like seek and find bottles. So if you've ever been to the Target dollar spot or even Dollar Tree, has mini erasers a lot of time. But so we always buy these. These can be great in therapy for different purposes, but we thought we have so many of them, why not put them into a recycled bottle? And we're going to put colored rice in here, and then we'll have like a little seek and find. So what I have for today is just our mini erasers. We have some sequins if the kids want to put those into. I just got these from Walmart. I've got glitter, food coloring, the color of the rice, and then, like I said, just recycled bags. So, and I'm going to be providing aided language input and giving directions using core vocabulary on the Lamp Words for Life full vocabulary set, and I'm using it from the app on the iPad. Okay. All right, guys. So today we are going to make some sensory bottles, aren't we? Some seek and find rice bottles. All right. The first thing that we need to do is we need to color our rice. You guys are busy finding little erasers. Whoa, you have a lot, buddy. Oh my goodness. I think you have too many. I think you have too many.
I think I'm fine.
Okay, all right, we're going to close this for now. We're going to color our rice. So what we're going to do to color the rice is we need to put some rice in a bag. Okay, and then we'll add coloring.
How about I have a little bit of green?
Sophie says she has green. What color do you want, Luke?
Do you think this is purple? I don't think this is
color.
Purple. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a different shade of green. Do you want pink, purple, or green?
No, that's pink. That's
Brown.
Okay.
I don't have brown. You can make a selection from pink, purple, green, and I guess I also have red. Red. You want red. All right, so we're going to open our bags.
Open.
And we're going to put some rice and some food coloring in it. Sophie, can you help me?
Sure.
Thank you for helping. All right, so look, Luke, we have to... Oh, you do have a rocket set. So the mini erasers, as you can tell already, are great for vocabulary and working on some of that fringe. They can be very motivating in that way. So that's why we like our erasers, because there are lots of nouns. All right. Should we turn it red? Oh, don't take out.
No,
we're not going to take out. We're going to turn it red.
And then you'll have to close it and move it around.
That's right. Sophie told us what we have to do. Close. Yeah, your cats are like from Halloween. You're right. Halloween. All right, Luke, I need you to shake it up. Can you shake it up?
So it turns red?
Shake.
Good job. All right, Sophie, what color are you going to do yours?
Green and purple.
You want two colors? Okay, hold it open just a little bit more. Luke. Look. She's going to turn hers green. She's going to turn it green.
Yeah, that should be enough.
Tell her, say close it up. And then she has to shake it. All right, did you turn? Whoops. Luke,
Little.
we only have a little bit of red. We need
More.
more red. We need to
Shake.
shake it some more.
More.
Okay, so we have turned
Turn.
our rice 2 different colors. Luke, you wanted red and green, and Sophia chose to have purple and green. So now we are going to
Oh.
start to put them into our bottles. So we are using a funnel to help us, and it may get stuck a little, and that's okay. We just have to tap it up and down.
Down.
And look,
Look.
look at the rice go
In.
in her bottle. Sometimes we use our finger to help us get it in there. Hold on, Luke. Oh, do you want it to be your turn?
Want.
You want to go? Oops! Uh-oh, that's okay. We need more hands for this. All right. Look who came to help.
Dad.
Daddy's gonna help you, Luke. Put yours in. Okay, so once you've got a little bit of rice, and you could only put just like a little bit, then I would recommend we can put in glitter. Sophie, we can add your erasers, or you can put in some sequins. So what would you like to...
How about all the erasers now?
Add.
What do you want to add to your bottle? Some erasers now? Okay. So we're going to put those in. And then,
Line.
would you like some glitter into it too? That's what I was going to tell you to do. So after you get some in there, go ahead and shake it up. That way you get to start to mixing.
I nib it. I usually put my hand on the top and then shake it.
Or you could put the lid, whichever one. But then it goes ahead and it starts to mix it together. That way we don't just have a big chunk in the middle or at the top. And messes are okay. If you are worried about, like I just have my open iPad right now, but if you are worried about it, you can always put the iPad into a gallon-sized bag. And it still activates just fine. Even devices, if you have a speech-generating device, like the Accent or TouchTat or the Indie, you can always just put them into bags and they will still activate just fine as well. And then you don't have to worry about the screen or anything. Okay, so we're gonna wait. We only have one funnel, so we have to practice our ability to wait, don't we? Good job, Luke. Are you pushing it down?
Down.
Down into your bottle? So we're gonna add in some gold glitter, aren't we? To make it nice and sparkly. I see you.
Watch.
Watching it go down. Yeah. Oops. I think
Dad.
Daddy got you some too. Alright, so we just added glitter. He's added those. Luke, last thing, do you want some sequins in there? Do you want some of these? Oh, I saw you shake your head and tell me.
Yes.
Yes. All right. We're going to pinch some of those in. All right. And then Sophie is done with hers. So we did add glitter. We added the rest of her rice. And so the more that they shake it and play with it, the colors will mix together. Or you could just do smaller layers if you're wanting it to be really rainbow. But now we can play a sequin find, can't we? So, and you can work on words like the I. You can say see.
See.
Or I spy if you want to make it into that type of a thing. And then work in the vocabulary too. So if you had erasers of a certain theme, so we kind of have quite an assortment. But if you had all food, then you could say, I see a fruit. It's an apple. Or I see a dessert. It is ice cream. Or if you had animals, and you could work on fish and bird, and finding those as well. So, and then you can also work on their ability to say look and draw your attention to whatever they found in there. And the describing, so you could also do that, you know, once you found the bird, talk about the bird, talk about where it lives, that you find it up in a tree, that it can fly in the sky. So those are different things that you could do, all with your rice seek and find bottles. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like below.